Hello dear crocheters! This is a short video tutorial about how I prepare raffia for my project. First you need to take the raffia, unwind a few meters and straighten it out, just like I'm showing in the video. Trust me, if you take the time to prepare the raffia properly, you will love the final result. After straightening it out, you will need to iron it. Let's do that next. This is the next step in the preparing raffia, smoothing it out from a twisted strand into a flat ribbon. For this we use an iron on the lowest heat setting. Of course you will need to iron the entire skein this way. Next, we will wind the ribbon into a neat bundle. For this we will need a piece of thick cardboard. It doesn't have to be perfectly straight, just sturdy enough to hold its shape without bending. Securing the end, I wind the raffia onto the cardboard, with a rolling motion like this. I agree that preparing raffia takes quite a bit of time, but it's worth it. The raffia becomes softer and crocheting fabrics will be tighter. And the crocheting process itself will be much easier and more enjoyable. Now that the raffia is ready, we can start crocheting. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorials. Bye bye.